कर रहा हूँ।
Now we will go to the the route where you will find the delicacies of Banaras.
ओके फाइन फाइन फाइन, दैट्स गुड।
This is one of the oldest shop in the Banaras. No, Lakshmi Chai. ये आपका भी आएगा, आपका भी आएगा। Now I will take you to the oldest and the most famous shop of the tea, where people came here from all over the town to take a tea. So this is Lakshmi Chai. So this is the place where we can go to. Let me take you to there. Come on. This is 100-year-old tea shop in Kashi, in Banaras, the holy city of Lord Shiv, and the per day consumption of milk over here is 150 liters. Can you imagine that? Can you beat that? The milk consumption over here is 150 liters. That's amazing. That's amazing. I cannot beat that. His name is, आपका नाम क्या है? Guddu. He is one of the work over here, and we can beat that. So we can have one cup of tea together. So Yogesh, can we?
Sure, go ahead.
ये 2 कप चाय लीजिएगा। भैया 2 कप चाय। स्पेशल। बहुत सही, थैंक यू।
हाँ तो करवा दो।
1 कप और
दीजिए। 26 वगैरह दे। हाँ।
Thank you. So this is the taste over here of tea.
Can I have the tea?
Yeah. Can you have the tea?
Okay,
But the taste of the tea is like the coffee over here.
Okay.
So that's the main thing. आप क्या बता रहे थे?
ये हमारे मेंबर लोग हैं जिसके सहयोग से दुकान चला।
ये भैया उसकी बात कर रहे हैं।
ये हम नहीं चला रहे हैं, ये हमारे मेंबर लोग हैं।
बिल्कुल बहुत सही बात है।
इनका सहयोग है।
They are actually saying that this place is the running by because of not that the owner. This place is running by the team they are having. Okay. So oldest team member of my place. One of the oldest team member of this place is Mr. भैया आपका नाम? The main person of over here is Mr. Gopal Yadav.
Okay.
So this place, the overall the place is emerged by the team members over here. The Lakshmi Chai wala is famous that tea is the toast mukhan. We call it butter and bread. So this is the butter and bread. Usually come with a white butter, but at this time the white butter is not available. So they are coming with the normal butter. So this is the most famous thing of this place.
आपको ये अच्छा लगता है? बहुत बढ़िया लगता है। आपके मतलब कभी ओकेजनली खाते हैं कभी?
मैंने हमेशा खाता हूँ।
हमें
और एक मिनट का ये कस्टमर छिटक रहे हैं, पर ये बहुत इरिटेट है उस बात से, पर ये जानते नहीं है इज हेल्पिंग हिम इन द अदर वे। एरिया है जहाँ पे आपको गाड़ी खड़ी करने के लिए 4 लोगों से मिन्नतें करनी पड़ती हैं, हाथ जोड़ना पड़ता है, क्योंकि ये बहुत बिजी एरिया है। पर इनके सहयोग से हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे गाड़ी खड़ी की। इनका नाम पुरुषोत्तम जी है, ये पान लगाते हैं।
हमारी चिट्ठियाँ थे जिसके पहले इनके भाई साहब करते थे।
यह है उनका फोटो है।
भाई साहब हुआ है, भैया है, भाई चले गए।
Okay, he is Shri Ram Baba and he is Shri Ramji Baba and he initiated this shop. He is passed away in fact, and as of now his younger brother is here. यहाँ पे इनके छोटे भाई हैं and his name is Ganesh.
Okay.
So they are operating this thing and they are roadside dentists. At the same time At the same time, they are they are not literate. They don't know anything about dentists. Beside this shop, there is a one very familiar dentist in the town, and they are operating beside that. But at the same time, they are more famous than this shop.
Okay.
So this is the main thing. You can take a picture of.
Surely. I would like to know. Like the cost part of it compared to the dentist. Is it also the same?
No, it is more of like it is 80% lesser than the dentist.
Okay. Oh, brilliant. That is something interesting.
It is 80% lesser than that.
Something interesting. And it is effective as the dentist, whatever the dentist treat.
I think this is more than effective. That's why the people from the rural areas, in fact, Banaras is a district where all the Purvanchal, the eastern UP is connected with that place because this is the main market.
Okay.
And people from eastern UP came here to resolve their problem. आपका जो कॉस्ट वो एक साथ लगाने का 5,000 रुपये, ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल बता रहा हूँ। तो आपके लिए ये कॉस्ट कितना पड़ता है?
ये हमारे लिए बहुत घटी इतना पड़ेगा 100।
Can you imagine? As Banaras is known for silk sarees, so Banaras is the oldest living civilization on earth. It is more than 5,000-year-old civilization which is living on earth, and at the same time, this market, this particular market, you can move the camera over there. This particular market is 400-year-old sarees market. This is 400-year-old saree market. So let me take you to inside so that I can show you the things. Come.
अरे तू लिया मैं देखी ताकि नहीं पर हमारी बात हुई लेके आवा
We are in the Kunj Gali right now, and we are at the Jawahar Sarees Gorilal. You can show this. It's a very old shop. I think ये कितनी पुरानी shop है ये?
ये हमारी 100 वर्ष पुरानी दुकान है।
This is 100 years old shop in Banaras, especially in Kunj Gali. Kunj Gali is the market which is almost 400 years old market of Banarasi sarees. So we are meeting with
Suprit Shah.
He is Mr. Suprit Shah and ma'am is
Sangeeta Karmacharya.
Sangeeta Karmacharya. So Sangeeta Karmacharya is a customer for Suprit Shah. So they are showing them sarees. और पूरा निकालिए
हम दिखाएंगे ना मैडम को, आपको दिखाना चाहिए। ये लाइक
Sorry.
जॉर्जेट प्योर सिफॉन।
This is pure silk chiffon, Georgette sari. Is one of the
का जो काम है, जो कस्टमर आते हैं हम उनको दिखाते हैं, उसके बाद इसको फिनिश कराते हैं।
Okay.
ये नॉट
Unpolished माल।
अनफिनिश।
Okay. This is not the polished item.
It's work in progress.
It's work in progress. It's work in progress. After that, they will give it to the polished item. They will this will shine 100% better than this. Okay. As of now, this is a raw material. So
It's a wedding purpose sarees.
okay, this is especially a wedding purpose sarees. People all over the India came here especially for this.
भैया को नहीं
इधर नहीं है, इधर का है।
मैम आपके घर में कोई शादी पड़ी है क्या इस समय?
नहीं, हम तो काठमांडू से आए हुए हैं।
काठमांडू से। So are you like you are interested in Banarasi sarees?
मेरा घर यहीं पे है।
Okay, so you wear Banarasi sarees also. Okay. फाइन
So this is
type of sarees.
ओके
Embroidery sarees. Banarsi embroidery.
मैम आपको बनारसी साड़ी के बारे में क्या चीज़ें अच्छी लगती हैं?
नहीं, बनारसी साड़ी में पहनने में थोड़ा स्टैंडर्ड लगता है, फिर और उसकी फिनिशिंग अच्छी होती है, पहनने में हल्का होता है,
ये
भारी नहीं
finished
होता
item
है
है.
ओके
इसको चाहो तो आप.
और मतलब ड्यूरेबल होता है,
Finished
काफ़ी चलता है.
okay. One more thing. This is a raw finishing of the item.
Okay.
And when we will, they give into the polishing and the finishing term, so that the complete product will appear like this only.
Okay, so this is something which is unfinished right now.
Yeah.
And this will be like
After
the finished.
polishing, that the sari will appear like this only.
ओके फाइन, दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. ओके, ठीक है. तो ये लाइक कस्टमर के चॉइस पे आप और उसको बेटर करते हैं. लाइक वो कहता है कि ये करिए वो करिए, तो आप उसके हिसाब से कस्टमाइज करते हैं उसको. ओके.
ये फूल वगैरह आप लोग कहाँ से लेते हैं? वो है क्या? अच्छा, यहाँ पे they have a field, they have a farm of their own. They produce these flowers in their own home, and they pick up that and sell there over here. So आप लोग दिन भर में कितनी बार, मतलब आप लोग रोज करते हैं? और मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि आप कितने साल से ये काम कर रहे हैं? They are selling this flower from past 20 years. The profession of their, the home is past 20 years. आप कितने समय से काम कर रहे हैं? 25 साल हो गए. तो आप लोग ये फूल कहाँ से लेकर आते हैं? अपने निजी रखे से. आप लोग का खुद का उगाया हुआ नहीं है? अच्छा. तो आप लोग क्या रोज का पर डे आपके पास 365 दिन आप कितने कहाँ से आते हैं? कितना किलोमीटर दूर है?
काशी की नगरी बाबा विश्वनाथ भोले की नगरी है जी. यहाँ ट्रकों 2 ट्रक भी फ्लावर आता है जी, निश्चित बिक जाता है.
Okay, what he's saying, that this is the city of
बनारस.
There's a Kashi, Baba Vishwanath, and if there will be 2 trucks, 3 trucks, or millions of trucks will become here of flowers, they will be sold out. So that's the main amazing part of it.
राधे कृष्ण बोलो बोलो बोलो, राधे कृष्ण बोलो, राधे कृष्ण बोलो, राधे कृष्ण बोलो.